Picture me rolling, they can't take it. You know we all in till we make it. Stay down till we up, it's temptation. Nah, nigga running through these different faces. Picture me rolling, they can't take it. You know we all in till we make it. Stay down till we up, it's temptation. Nah, nigga running through these different faces. Ay, I know they hate it from the get-go. Still I stand 10 toes and rip these instrumentals. I'm just tryna see just what they hit for, cause I can't be that nigga to get stretched like a limo. Yeah, no, I had to take a different route. Swear I told all of my niggas we gon' make it out. For that
so here it is, my first pickup off GOAT, Yeezy Beluga 2.0s. I ordered these on Tuesday. They came on a Wednesday. It was like a 3-day shipping. So the person that's selling it has to send it to GOAT, and then GOAT verifies it, then it comes to you. So I think that took about a week, basically, I guess, since I ordered them on Tuesday and they came on a Wednesday. So this is the box that they came in. Comes with this brown paper in it. That way the box don't move around and get damaged. Go ahead, take these shoes out. I already opened this box already. Tried the shoes on. Just to let y'all know. So it comes with this paper wrapped around it. Got the GOAT stamp right there. The regular Yeezy 350 V2 box. Yeezy 350 boots. These are size 9. I'm not gonna read the color code, because like I said, they're Beluga 2.0s. Go ahead and open the box. Now, anytime you order some shoes off GOAT, it should come with this card. This is basically letting you know that they did go to GOAT and they are verified. So if your shoes didn't come with this paper right here from GOAT, then they ain't legit. And that's just as simple as that. So go ahead and take the shoes out. So shoes out the box, just a quick look. It's the left shoe right here. Pretty much all over great shoe. Got the zebra pattern on the side. This is like a reddish with like a hit of orange, Supply 350, as well as the same color hit on the back pull tab. You also got the inside right here where it says Yeezy Adidas. Out of all the colorways, I think these and like those blue tints, I like those the most. The ones with just the stripe that's all black, I don't like those at all. And the version ones, I really don't care for. I had the all black pair when they first came out. Sold those for $1,100 because, like I said, they all over black, and I got $1,100 for those. So I just sold those. But these, when they released, I missed out on them, and I ended up having to get them off GOAT. Like I said, I paid $410, so it's pretty. That's not too bad for a pair of Yeezys. Actually, these and the blue tints and the ones with just a single stripe, those are going for pretty cheap, especially these and the blue tints. But these ones I like most, so that's a good thing for me. Got your 3 stripes right here on this back tab, and like I said, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I got these off GOAT for $400, $10 for shipping. Took about a week to get to me, and I got a couple other shoes I plan on getting on GOAT. I got them on my want list. I'm just watching the price. When you go on there, always try to offer a price first, make it reasonable. That way, you know, you can probably get the sale. If not, if you think it's a good price, just do the buy now option. That way you get the shoe before they change the price, or somebody else get it for that price that you could have got it for. Got the boost at the bottom. Like I said, these came as described, dead stock, never tried on. The box is in good condition, and that's pretty much it. So stay tuned. Got the Onfeet coming on after this.
Picture me rolling, they can't take it. You know we all in till we make it. Stay down till we up, it's temptation. Nah, nigga running through these different faces. Picture me rolling, they can't take it. You know we all in till we make it. Stay down till we up, it's temptation. Nah, nigga running through these different faces. Staying down till we up, need my pocket stuff. Niggas acting like they on that, but they know what's up. Bounce out with that glizzy, but I keep it tucked. Cause I was taught don't show that unless you finna bust. These niggas, they be sneaking, never speaking up. Okay, cancel with the stick, it's gon' eat him up. No, I love that fast money, I can't get enough. Cause I ain't had no option when the shit was rough. Why you capping, you ain't never got it out the mud. You ain't never went hungry tryna double up. Really live it, if I write it, I can't make this up. And that's word to all you little niggas playing tough. I be on the move like I'm in a rush. But just some years ago, I was on the bus. Then I get too close, all my niggas cut. They don't wanna see me win, but this is a must. Picture me rolling, they can't take it. You know we all in till we make it. Stay down till we up, it's temptation. Nah, nigga running through these different faces. Picture me rolling, they can't take it. You know we all in till we make it. Stay down till we up, it's temptation. Nah, nigga running through these different faces.